Document Whiz menu. From documentwiz.com. We're a non-lawyer document preparation under your direct supervision. Document Whiz forms. Divorce. Name change. Child support modification. Fraternity. Immigration. Notary. Passport. Visa. Corporation and other forms. Essay assistance, resume, business plan, thesis and dissertation, online tutoring and e-learning, bar exam prep using IB Learning, USMLE and NCLEX, those are the boards. We're a non-lawyer document preparation company under your direct supervision. Accreditation and reinstatement for schools, basic doc fees, school scholarship application, we do regular test prep and career coaching, and much, much more. We're a non-lawyer document preparation company under your direct supervision. We're a non-lawyer document preparation company. We are not a law firm. All forms are filled out under your direct supervision. This is a non-lawyer document preparation company. For more info, go to www.documentwiz.com, 407-955-3534.